Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning and have warm temperatures today. Most likely going to see a record high for today. The previous record was 68 in 2013, and we should beat that today at 70 degrees for a high. So very warm conditions across the region today for this time of year, and they're going to remain dry as we're sandwiched between a cold front off to the west and the area low pressure off to our south and east. It's not really giving us much forcing today for any rain shower chances, so it looks like we'll remain dry through the weekend into early next week before we see our next best chance of rainfall come Tuesday into Wednesday with a cold front moving through the region. So, taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level 10,800 feet, Winds out the southwest up throughout the column this morning, becoming west-southwesterly at 25,000 feet and only 31 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, you can see this area low pressure east of Florida, a cold front off to our west of the Ohio Valley. This cold front's going to move towards the region, through the region tonight. This area low pressure will remain off the southeast coast and then move up northeastward off our coast for tonight and tomorrow. And we're going to be in between those two systems I mentioned with not much rain shower chances across our region as the energy from this cold front moves into the area low pressure off the coast, and that's going to give us just very limited chances of rainfall from this system. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have fairly nice conditions across the area, some cirrus moving in from the west over the region, but overall going to see lots of sunshine today with some filtered sunshine for the afternoon hours. And taking a look at the European model the next few days here, you can see that area low pressure well off the coast and not providing us with any rainfall. This cold front advances towards the region and through the region tonight, but dries out as it does so to transfer some energy to the area low pressure. Could see a sprinkle tomorrow morning, but overall chances look to be less than 10% or 15% this time. And then we move into Sunday, we'll have a little bit of a cooler air mass in the region, so seeing temperatures back a bit towards normal after we see temperatures once again above normal on Saturday. We're going to have our area high pressure move over New England on Monday. That's going to give us a cooler day, looks like, for Monday into Tuesday of next week with an area of low pressure tracking through the region. Tuesday should warm up late in the day with temperatures in the 60s for Tuesday late in the day, but overall you'll see lots of cloud cover Tuesday with some rain showers moving in by the late afternoon hours. And this cold front sweep through on Wednesday morning, ushering in a much colder air mass for Wednesday, Thursday for our Thanksgiving. Looks like a chilly day across the region and into possibly late next week, I should say, into Friday for Black Friday. But looks like we'll see more below average temperatures once we move past Wednesday, but we're going to continue to see this above average temperatures in general, from now through early next week. Our high today, as I mentioned, around 70 degrees, low tonight around 55. South winds today out of 8 to 13 knots, gust 18 knots, and then light winds overnight before that front moves through. And then once it does move through and east of the area, we'll see northwesterly winds 7 to 12 knots, gust to 17. A slight chance we see some fog overnight tonight, but overall those chances look fairly slim, but could see some patchy fog across the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast should see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, with the only chances of seeing some lower ceilings with the fog overnight. But overall, just a slight chance, or a chance that occurs, only about a 25% chance we see that across the region. We'll see those mid and upper level clouds thicken overnight as well, with the cold front moving through, and a slight chance, or a very slight chance, of some showers moving through overnight. And our tides are currently running normal. Looking at Saturday into Sunday, Saturday mostly cloudy with a very slight chance of shower in the morning, becoming mostly sunny and breezy, high of 64 degrees. Saturday night, mostly clear and chilly, low of 38. And for Sunday, mostly sunny and seasonable, high of 58 degrees. We'll have those winds blowing about 25 knots with the gust on Saturday afternoon, so most likely we'll see a wind advisory Saturday afternoon. And the next 7 days, looking at that very slight chance of a shower or brief sprinkle overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Above normal temperatures for today and tomorrow. Back towards normal on Sunday and Monday, and then back above normal on Tuesday, with that rain likely during the afternoon hours. And then we'll see temperatures really start to fall Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday, only seeing highs in the mid to upper 40s across the region, with a little bit of breeze as well. So we'll feel much cooler for Thanksgiving as it appears now. But I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15 and at 10 a.m.